Welcome from a fellow traveler. Today, in our series on applying spirituality, we are going to take a deeper dive into the often misunderstood, or superficially understood, subject of karma. We often think of karma as retribution, a tally sheet, a cosmic punishment. We attribute things that don't go as we want to bad karma. But karma is never good or bad. That is just our emotional response to what it brings to us. It is not judgment, it's education. Karma is the great teacher, kind, yet firm. But, there are limits to karma's patience. It is the magnetic echo of the cosmic heart, drawing all life forward toward unity. Let's reframe karma. It's not payback. It's not fate. It's the fundamental agent of evolution of consciousness, a force that ensures we learn how to love, how to cooperate, how to align with the good. Karma is the cosmic force ensuring that we learn to build with clarity, not confusion. It exists so we can co-create with the cosmos. Most of us see karma as something behind us. But karma is also ahead of us. The future also invokes karmic action. When we hold a high vision, a future aligned with love and planetary healing, karma assembles the conditions for its realization. This is the law of action. Karma responds to thought as well as action. Karma answers the soul's striving. Let's take a few moments now to align ourselves consciously with the law of karma. Sit comfortably. Breathe in deeply. And let go. Again. Let your breath establish a rhythm. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Imagine a golden thread extending from your heart, connecting to the great heart of the cosmos. This is the cosmic heart, the source of rhythm, of evolution, of wise love. Now silently say, I open myself to the law of right relationship. I release fear of judgment. I embrace the wisdom of learning. I saturate myself with the rhythm of cosmos. I am one with all life. Feel the current of the cosmic heart pulling you forward toward the future that serves all life. Take a few moments to just bathe in this current. We must understand that karma is not static. It is fire. It is motion. It is cause, seeking effect. It is natural law, just like gravity. Right now, our world is caught in the karmic echoes of separation, exploitation, domination, neglect, greed. Karma is the agent that forces us to transform patterns such as these. But sometimes the path to new patterns is painful. We resist learning. This resistance becomes suffering. But karma is not unchangeable, and we are not powerless. Through meditative thought, loving service, and creative vision, we can see the future with new beautiful patterns of oneness, aligning with the rhythm of cosmos. It is the holding of that very vision of a future of unity that will cause us to act in loving, creative ways today. Thus, establishing new patterns. Is this reverse karma? Or is it just understanding that the law of karma is not subject to our limited notions of temporal sequencing? Please subscribe to continue this soul-guided journey. Your thought, your love, and your vision are shaping the future now.